Good morning, and thank you for joining in to your daily weather briefing. We've got clouds that are on the increase this morning, and we do have some rain on the way as well. As we go through the late morning and afternoon hours, we'll see some of those rain showers impact the Wallops region, picking up maybe a couple of tenths of an inch of rain as it quickly moves through the area this afternoon. Looking at the conditions for yesterday, we saw very nice conditions throughout the region. Temperatures very mild for this time of year as well. 60 degrees the daytime high here at Wallops, 62 degrees, the warmest reporting stations throughout the region at both Richmond and at Norfolk. We saw everybody else generally running right around 60 degrees for a daytime high. Overnight last night, temperatures falling into the upper 30s and into the mid 40s in some locations such as Wallops, getting down to 45 degrees. No measurable precipitation over the last 24 hours, and as of 9 a.m. we see cloudy skies throughout the region. A few locations already picking up some light rain, primarily off to the west. As you can see, Richmond, Washington, D.C., and Baltimore already getting in on some of that light rain activity as of 9 a.m. We were at 56 degrees here at Wallops under cloudy skies. Upper level winds from this morning's balloon release showing the winds generally out of a southerly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, becoming westerly in direction as you go up in height up to that 25,000 foot level, where we see those winds increasing up to around 63 knots. Freezing level this morning is at 9,700 feet. Taking a look at our satellite radar composite, you can see some light rain activity starting to push its way a little closer to the Wallops region, and we will see some of that light rain by the late morning hours. Probably just before 12 o'clock we'll start to see some of that rain activity pushing through the area. As I mentioned before, looking generally at about 2/10 of an inch of rain out of this event as it quickly moves through as we go into the afternoon. Taking a quick look at one of our high resolution models, it shows you sort of the timing we are expected for these showers. Pause it right here at 11 a.m. You can see some of that rain shower activity already starting to push toward the Northampton County, southern Accomack County region. And then as we go into the noontime hour and into the afternoon, we'll start to see some of those light to moderate rain showers begin to impact the region, quickly pushing out off the coast. As you can see here, by about 3 or 4 o'clock, most of that rain activity is going to be done with here at Wallops, and we'll just see a few lingering light rain showers before this evening rolls around, and we'll see the clouds begin to decrease pretty quickly by the early evening to late evening hours tonight, becoming mostly clear after midnight. So taking a look at what we can expect here for the next couple of days, here's our current setup. We see a warm front north of the region pulling in some southeasterly flow across the area this morning, and will allow our temperatures to once again get up to an upper 50s to near 60 degrees for a daytime high temperature here at Wallops. But that'll be quick-lived, as we will see cooler air arriving overnight tonight. We'll see the winds start to pick up out of the west and really start to usher in a cooler air mass for us for the middle of the week. As you can see here, by the evening hours tonight, our first cold front will have moved off the coast, and we'll see another cold front quickly start to get its act together overnight tonight into the day on Tuesday, starting to usher in a reinforcing shot of cold air as we go into the middle of the week. You can see by Tuesday morning we'll see really no threat for precipitation. We'll see mostly sunny skies throughout the day, and those winds will be fairly breezy to slightly windy during the day on Tuesday. Could see a wind advisory for multiple days this week, but their best chance will come Wednesday as we see this last reinforcing shot of cold air arriving for us during the day on Wednesday, and we'll see winds very gusty out of the northwest, possibly up to as high as 40 miles per hour during the day, and it will feel very cold with those high temperatures only around 40 degrees. So looking at the next 24 hours in a little more detail, you can see those rain showers arriving. Best chance to see any kind of rain activity here will be between the hours of 12 o'clock and 4 o'clock this afternoon. Again, we'll see those winds increasing as we go through the day. Could see a wind advisory this afternoon, but we're forecasting those winds to stay just under criteria for that wind advisory, so it will be a close call, but odds are a little less than 50% that we will see that wind advisory posted today. As we go into the overnight hours tonight, winds will remain breezy, with those westerly winds at 8 to 13 knots after midnight tonight. Temperatures falling to around 39 degrees for an overnight low, and those clouds will be clearing out as we get during past the evening hours tonight and into the overnight hours tonight into early Tuesday. So for Tuesday, sunny, cool, and breezy conditions expected. We'll see temperatures about 10 degrees cooler tomorrow than what we'll see today with that high of 48. And then for Tuesday night and Wednesday, we'll see another reinforcing shot of cold air. Breezy conditions continuing Tuesday night, and then we'll see windy conditions for Wednesday. Cold conditions as well, with that high only expected around 42, with those winds pretty gusty at times. Again, possibly as high as 35 to 40 miles per hour during the day. So expect a very chilly day in store for us on Wednesday, with those winds and cold temperatures combining to make it feel pretty chilly. And then as we go into the later portion of the week, we'll see temperatures moderate a bit back into the mid to upper 40s. Those winds should settle down a bit on Thursday, although we will still see some breezy conditions during the day on Thursday. And those winds really calm down by Friday morning. We see an overnight low temperature right around 31 degrees. And then our next system will approach late Friday, where we could see a little bit of light rain activity. This does not look like a major rainmaker for us Friday evening, but as we go into the later portion of the weekend, we'll see a stronger system push through the region. You can see those temperatures bumping up ahead of that system with a high of 65 degrees by Sunday, and the rain pretty likely, looking at the timing, probably in the morning hours of Sunday and into the early portion of Sunday afternoon. We should see those showers start to pull off the coast. So that'll wrap it up for the extended forecast and our weather briefing for today. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.